So do you know that you can be able to install Google Play Store on your Windows 11, which means that you'll have access to all the Android applications and even the Android games. So today I'm going to show you how you can be able to achieve that in your PC using an emulator called Bluestacks. An emulator is an application or a software which will help you run applications which doesn't natively run on a certain operating system. In this case, the Bluestacks will help us run the Android environment on the PC. There is an option for MacBook users also. So if you are interested, let's move all the way up to the end. So the good thing about Bluestacks is it's extremely free and it's supported by big brands like the Intel and AMD. We are going to go directly to the official website and install that. So this is the official website. I'll put the link in the description box or in the comment region. So once you open bluestacks.com, you're going to get two download options. We have Bluestacks 10 and Bluestacks 5. Bluestacks 5, this is where when you download and install applications, they are all going to be installed in your PC locally. So for Bluestacks 10, you have all the options for Bluestacks 5, but the added advantage will be you can be able to stream the applications and even the games from the cloud. And so today we are going to use Bluestacks 5, and once you click on it, it will download. So click on start download and then open. Now what we have downloaded is an installer, which means that once we open that installer, it will now start downloading other files which are now bigger. And as you can see, we are downloading a file which is 157 MBs. So it will take some few seconds depending on the speed of your internet. For Bluestacks, you can be able to enjoy so many applications and even the games which are provided by the Android environment. So I really find it very useful. So we are done downloading and installing. So once I minimize that, we have this desktop icon here. Open it and see what we have inside there. So once you open Bluestacks, this is the interface that you're going to meet. Here you have Bluestacks icon there. Then you have a search bar. You can search for any game there or even application. You have home, which is where we are right now. Then you have the game center. This is where you're going to meet so many games. And my game says after downloading game from game center, it will appear here. And then you have the settings in case maybe you want to change some of the preferences. Then you have this icon here, the Bluestacks icon. Also on this end, we have this docking kind of mini bar icon here. So once you click on it, so it will dock on this side of the screen, and if you want to go back, you click on this arrow and it will undock. So we have this Bluestack icon. So once you click on it, it's supposed to open so many other things, but then we have an issue because you see this is an error message whereby we have several things that we need to enable first before we proceed. If you get any of this error or your Bluestacks is not running, just close it and hit on Windows, type for Windows features. Yep, we want this one. Open. You wait. Make sure that Net Framework 3.5 and 4.8 are all enabled. You go to Hyper-V. Make sure this is checked up. And then you go down. Go to Virtual Machine Platform. Make sure that is enabled. Hypervisor platform. Make sure that is also enabled. And also subsystem for Linux and Sandbox. Windows Sandbox and a subsystem for Linux. You click on OK, it will start looking for those files. If they're not there, then it will download, and then we're going to restart. And after restarting, then you should have everything now ready to go. Now applying the changes, and we are done. So we should restart the PC, but first I need to stop recording my screen, otherwise I'll corrupt the whole of that video. We are done now with the preparation. So you click, let's open and see whether you're going to get that error again. On the opening screen, loading 100, and let's maximize so that at least we get a bigger real estate. Let's click on our icon again. So Bluestacks is opening. Please wait. So that is exactly what we are doing here, and we are in. So this is the Bluestacks App Player, which is represented by this icon in this corner. Let's maximize it. Now the interface has a Play Store, and we have the Game Center, we have System Apps. This is kind of some promotions, and we have this Bluestacks there. Then you have some games here which are being promoted. But let's open the system applications and see what we have. We have the camera, we have the settings, we have Chrome for you to browse anything. We have the media. In case you have anything there, you can actually even have it inside there. Yes, I want to exit. And also we have the settings. Let's see what settings we have. We have this looks like the old interface. We can go back. We have Chrome. Let's see what Chrome has to offer. Oh wow, okay. So it looks like exactly the one that is in the phone, apart from now the arrangement of the tabs on top here. So you can do anything. So let's go back. So like Android, you have home, you have back, and then you have recent applications. Once I click on recent applications, all the applications which have opened up, they will list themselves here, and then I can go back to them. Like if I click on Play Store, and it will just go directly there. So for you, if you want to download anything from the store, you click on sign in, then you sign in using your Google email. Let's go back and see what else we have here. On this corner, we have these three dots, the settings, then you can pin to the top, you can fix the window size, and also we have the toolbar here, which has so many things. This is back, this is settings, this is home, this is recent applications. This is a replication of exactly what you have here. Apart from now, they have added the settings part, and around here, what I'm interested in is something like this one. You can toggle the maximum screen so that it will look like exactly like you're using a tablet. So that's for maximizing. If you want to escape the full screen, you press on F11, F11, and we are back to where we are. So if you want me to make a detailed video on this, I can actually do that. Put that in the comment region. If you found value in this video, you are probably also going to like the one we have already done and there in the channel. Subscribe, and also the ones that we are going to make in the future. So click the notification bell and also like the video so that YouTube will know that we are doing something good. If you want us to continue the conversation, go down there in the comment region, comment there, and we are going to catch up there. So see you in the next one.